You've trained a model and it scores 95%. Time to celebrate? Not yet. The real question is never how well a model does on data it has already seen, it's how well it does on data it hasn't. Getting that answer honestly is what this lesson is about. Here's the trap. Suppose we test the model on the very same apartments it learned from. Of course it scores perfectly. It simply memorized the answers. That's like handing students the exact exam beforehand. A top score proves nothing. Show that model a brand new apartment, and it stumbles. Memorizing is not learning. The fix is simple but powerful. Before training, hide some of your data away. We split the dataset and lock a portion in a sealed test set. The model never sees it while learning. Those held back examples become the honest final exam. Now train the model on the data it's allowed to see. When it's done, we bring out the sealed test set and score it there, on examples it has genuinely never met. That score estimates how the model will do in the real world. We call this generalization, and it's the number that actually matters. But there's a subtlety. While building a model, we make dozens of choices. Which model? Which settings? If we keep checking those against the test set, we're secretly peaking, and the test stops being honest. So we carve out a third slice, a validation set. We tune and compare models on validation, and keep the test set sealed until the very end. That's the golden rule. The test set is opened exactly once, at the finish line. Peek at it early, even by accident, and its result becomes a lie. That mistake is called data leakage. A common split is 60% for training, 20% for validation, and 20% for the final test. So, 3 sets, 3 jobs. Training data is the homework the model learns from. Validation is the practice exams we use to tune and choose. And the test set is the real final, sat once, never studied from. Keep them separate, and your model score is one you can trust. That wraps up understanding data. Next module, regression, predicting house prices for real.